But this is actually the good place where we're gonna be able to show what happens with the different operators. What do I mean? Well, we have the thing collection 2 and 1. So what would happen if we were to take 1 and apply difference with collection 2? So that's one way of applying this operator. I can, let's just bring up a web browser to, if I have one already. So the difference between this collection and that collection is 1 and 3. Having this and removing all of these leaves 1 and 3, because the only one that was in both was this 0. So that seems fine. What if the 5 also had been in this one? Okay, now I see that I don't have the identity here, so it's hard for me to know which one is which. Let's fix that. So in this grid we can also add the column for identity, and we can make that static because it's derived, so we're not able to change it anyway. Having done that, I can see which one is which is good. So what did I say? If also the 5 were in this original one, then we would suspect that that would that wouldn't make any difference. Let's try that. We're gonna add the 5 to this collection, move to 1, and that's really no difference because it will be subtracted from here. But if we were to remove 5 from this, okay, I don't have any way to remove a thing from these, so let's fix that. I'm gonna add a button up here. This is actually a very good example of discovering that even if you think that you're done, as soon as you start and run your thing, you will discover that there are more things to do. So I'm gonna call this remove from 1. And how would I go about removing from 1? Well, I need to find which one is the selected one. So let's see what the nesting is called. The 1. So I'm gonna change name to make this clearer. Thing 1s, and then consequently thing 2s, because there are many. So for the first button, which I called remove from 1, I want to take the current one, the selected one, of thing 1s, and actually remove that from my thing1 collection. So again, anything singleton to get to the class, OCL singleton to get to the one instance, and in the collection 1 I want to remove the currently selected one. I'm going to copy this because what I want to do for the collection 2 is very similar. Remove from 2. But then I want to thing collection 2 and remove the one that is currently selected in 2. So I was saying that what will happen if this one okay, cancel. I was looking at the wrong one. So this is the one that I'm gonna, if I select number 5 here, I'm unsure if it's selected. Remove from 2. Yeah, then the 5 disappeared from there, and consequently it showed up here. Gonna do cancel. So the 5 is not in the difference because 5 subtracted with 5 leaves nothing. 1 subtracted from not having 1 leaves 1. So this is how difference work. But if this 5 were removed from this this collection like it was now, then 5 remove non-existent 5 will make 5 survive in the result. So that's difference. Good example. Yeah, luckily that was on screen. So that was that one. Reject. What does that mean? Yeah, let's defer these because these work on a single collection. Symmetric difference. What's the difference between difference and symmetric difference? So the text for this is collection 1 minus collection 2, the rest is return.